Welcome to this explainer. Ever get that training-induced heartburn? Today, we're fixing that and repairing your cellular batteries.
So, how do Siberian taiga extracts actually regenerate us from the inside out? Let's dive right in. It all starts with your mitochondria. Think of these guys as the literal batteries powering every single cell. But everyday oxidative stress constantly attacks those membranes, totally draining your energy and physical endurance. Enter polyprenols. Your liver actually converts these plant extracts into dolichols to rapidly patch up those damaged membranes.
VILAVI's patented CYP-XP complex harnesses exactly this, combining 3 potent taiga elements for maximum biological impact.
Take T8 Extra. It delivers a massive 90% concentration of polyprenols to aggressively reboot your cellular energy.
And the medical data backs it up. The absorption rates in the gut and liver are absolutely massive.
Add T8 blend into the mix, and you're flooding your system with antioxidant-rich berries to crush oxidative stress.
Next step is Mito. It contains urolithin A, which triggers a super important cellular sanitation process. It's called mitophagy. It literally clears out your dead, burnt-out cellular batteries to make room for fresh ones. But here's the real kicker. How does your gut health actually dictate all this cellular energy production?
While live probiotics often die during digestion, metabobiotics are stable metabolites that get to work right away.
It's incredible. Over 95% of a metabiotic reaches your colon completely intact and ready for action. T8 Mobio Plus energizes your gut. Combine it with T8 Stone's humic and fulvic acids for a biological sealant. This shield heals microulcers, letting gut metabolites thrive and stimulate the exact enzymes your mitochondria need for energy.
Need a pre-workout push? T8 Beat Shot uses betanin to synthesize explosive nitric oxide right in your body.
That nitric oxide radically expands your blood vessels, rushing vital oxygen straight into your newly repaired mitochondria. By stacking taurine and carnitine, it also dramatically accelerates your nervous system recovery and boosts overall physical endurance. Protocol time: MITU up early plus T8 Extra and T8 Stone, 1 milliliter in bottled water twice daily. Fuel those tough workouts with Beat Shot and maintain your ironclad gut stability every single day with Mobio Plus. So, are you going to keep draining your cellular batteries? Are you finally ready to recharge the whole shebang?